Okay, all that aside, you do have a pinpointer, you do have your modes. So memory, jewelry, automatic mode, DISC mode. We're gonna do automatic mode. You do have volume and sensitivity. So basically, in short, if you have it low sensitivity, it's gonna pick up mostly items that are near the surface. If you have sensitivity up high, it's going to pick up items near the surface and much deeper. We're gonna go probably about 3 bars, so about halfway. This one does have a light, it looks like, backlight on it. So that's pretty cool if you're doing it somewhere that's dark. It's definitely lightweight. And yeah, you know, let's give it a shot, see what it says. All right, so when it hits something, it has icons and it shows an arrow above that icon. So for this, it says a screw and cap. So that's what it's picking up, and it says depth. Now it doesn't say inches, it just gives you the bars. I'm sure in the manual it tells you how many inches per bar. So there's bottle cap, it's saying bottle cap. There was something new. Okay, so there just went through all kinds of different things here. All right, same bottle cap, it's saying 1 cent. 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent. Still saying 1 cent. There, bottle cap. Now, if we increase that sensitivity, it's probably gonna pick up a whole lot more items here. Yeah, as you can see, bottle cap or screw. Here it says 25 cents, or it did. There's 25 cents. So there it's kind of saying 25 cents, between 25 cents, 10 cents, and a bottle cap. But as you can see, it's beeping all over the place because it's picking up much deeper. I mean, there's it is going wild. It's going wild for screws and bottle caps and related items. Even 10 cents a little bit there. So as you can see, you could spend a lot of time just getting a lot of different stuff. But okay, you know, let's power this off. My final thoughts are, so the build construct is a little bit, you know, but I actually do like it. It does feel nice in my hand. It is lighter weight, which is kind of nice. Practicability is not that great. You know, you can fold it in. So if we push the levers here, and you can take it down and make it smaller. And then you can fold this in. Let's put this here. So it can be kind of small, and you can take it apart pretty quickly, pretty easy. So overall, I'm not as upset as I was. I mean, it's still, the build quality as far as the components, like as far as the plastic, is definitely not like some of the other higher end brands, but it still does its job, and I do like it. So I would say this would be a low, like beginner, or maybe a medium level metal detector, and then, you know, to learn from. But yeah, it's not as bad as I thought it was at first. Hello guys, my name is Scott from Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we're taking a look at the RICOMAX metal detector. So we're gonna take a look at everything that it comes with. It looks like, yeah, it looks like you're gonna have to put it together. You got earphones. You got your 9-volt battery, your carrying bag and washer. So I do prefer the ones that fold and that are already put together, but we'll see how hard it is. Everything does feel a bit flimsy, like the plastic just seems like quickly made plastic, but we'll see. You know, what really matters is how it functions and how it actually operates. But it does feel like just really like clingy, just, I don't know, it just doesn't feel you know, like a highest quality metal detector out there, but I've been proven wrong before. A lot of people have trouble with this. You just simply unthread these pins here. You place this on top like this, and from the bottom, you put your pins back up through. That can be a little tricky sometimes. So the easiest way of doing that is putting the pin up through first, like this. So put the pin like this and kind of hold it with your hand. Do the same for the other one. Put it up through, and then kind of set this on. And if you have to do one at a time, that's fine. That's actually probably what we're gonna have to do. All right guys, for putting the post in, place it in. There's gonna be this little lip here, so pull this piece open, and you might have to push down a little bit on that lip, and then just lock it in place, and that should lock it in place. Same goes with this one. There's gonna be this little lever, pull that lever, slide it in place, and lock it in place.